Hi, I'm Josh. I'm here to talk about a new product with you guys. It's a face pad for your virtual reality headsets. It's a great device if you're looking to replace your old, worn out, uncomfortable face pad. This is actually what you'd be purchasing here, and I'm just going to go over how to set it up and how to assemble it to your headset. This here is a virtual reality headset. It's for mobile devices, a VR KiX, and this is what I'll be using today to replace the old pad. The first thing you need to do is you need to replace the pad. So it's pretty simple. You just snap it off from your headset. It's only held in place with clips and pins. And this piece here is really two pieces. What you have is you have the face pad with some cloth that goes over this retainer plastic piece. And that's the piece that has all the clips. All the cutouts and everything else on the fabric is already there in place, so you just simply pull it away. This is your old worn out one. That one you just throw in the trash. Then here's your new one here, and it assembles very similar to how you actually took it apart, where it's already got the cutouts, all the pieces that you need in place to assemble it. So what I like to do is I like to start here on the corner piece, and then I just start to slide it underneath, aligning the holes and cutouts with the pins and clips. Now I got everything in there, I just need to snap it back onto my headset. You'll notice here that it has a cutout for your hole, for your nose. There's a hole right here. Same thing with the pad. You always want the pad on the outside, and then it just snaps right into place. You just line all the posts, snap into place, and then there you go. You got a nice clean pad. You're ready to go. My name is Josh, and thank you for watching.